Hello everyone, Lakeisha McKinnon here with Farmasi, and I just received an order, so I wanted to do a video really quick to show you guys what came in the order. I've already opened up the box to see what was in it because I was debating about doing the video, but I have the 2 gift bags. Now, this Acne Clear Complexion facial cleanser is the bomb. I had to wait because it was sold out to order this. So this is for one of my customers, but if you guys want to try this clear complexion cleanser with this willow bark water, which helps to remove acne causing bacteria, you want to go to the website and order it as soon as possible, because I had to wait days to order this because it was sold out. It's so popular. Some other stuff that I ordered that I already have, like this Keratin Serum for the hair. This is for me. I love this stuff. So I just wanted to order it again. And the Hammam traditional soap. I love this soap. I love it. I did a video on that before with it. And I have the Sensi wipes, makeup remover wipes. Since I have these eyelash extensions, my life has really changed. So really wasn't into makeup remover wipes before, because all I had to do was just use my cleanser to get the eyeshadow off of my eyes. But with the eyelash extensions, my life has really changed. So it's a little bit more difficult. So I'm gonna try these Sensi wipes because they're alcohol free, no parabens added, and they're oil free. And with these eyelash extensions, you can't get any oil on them. But I'm definitely gonna try these because I have bought some other ones. So see how these work. And then I have an eyeshadow brush that I ordered, and the famous iconic palette. My customers love this. I love this. I'm wearing the Myth today. It's like my to-go color. Look at that palette. I love this palette. My customers love it. So go ahead and grab it, or grab you one before they get sold out. So again, in this order, it wasn't very much, but I had a customer that wanted to order this and wanted to order this, and I wanted to order this other stuff, and then I have another order coming. So when that order comes, I'll make a video as well. And I got the free bags. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. If not, have a great day. Stay safe, wear your mask. And thank you for watching.